To add an image to our program, it's pretty straightforward. First we're going to import turtle, and then we're going to make a screen, wn.turtle.screen, and then we're going to make a turtle, turtle.turtle, and of course this here needs to be an equal sign. And now that we have our turtle, we need to add the shape to our program. So it's going to be screen.add shape, and then parentheses, and the argument to the add shape method is os.path.expand user, and then we put two parentheses. Okay, so here what we are doing is we're adding the shape to our program, and then once we add the shape, we can do t.shape, and inside of the shape, instead of putting turtle, we're going to say os.path.expand user as well. And in here, the argument for expand user is going to be the location of the image that we're going to be using. So I'm going to open up Chrome, and one thing to notice is that you can't just take any image. So there's like PNGs, there are GIFs, there's JPEGs. Python only is able to use GIFs. So if I say like transparent, and I want to use transparent so that it's see-through in the background, pig GIF, we're going to get to here, and you can use animated GIFs, they do show up. And then I guess I'll take this guy here, and I don't think he's transparent because when it's transparent it has a white and gray checkered background, so I'm not going to take him. Let's see, is there anything else here? Maybe this guy. Okay, so then here we have the white and gray checkered background. I know this is transparent, so I'm going to hit view image, and then I'm going to right click it and say save image as. I'm going to save it into my project. So if I come over here, you can see I'm in this project called Pong2. Of course yours is going to be called whatever it is that you call it. So I'm going to come over here, and then in the search bar I'm going to say Pong2, open that up, and I'm just going to save it right next to my file. And the file that I'm using for this program is called test. It's somewhere here, so I'll just go ahead and call it pig, and it is type GIF, so I'll save that. And then now looking into my PyCharm, you can see I have my pig GIF. I'm going to rename it. Well, I guess I can keep it. I guess there's different types of GIFs, and this is a GIF-C200, but typically it's just .gif. And then in here, you're going to put two double quotes, and you're just going to type in the name of the GIF file. So .gif-C200. You don't need to put a file, a path, because the picture is in the same folder as the Python file that we're using here, test. So then yeah, we just go ahead and grab that path to the picture, and we put it here in the shape. Oh, and another thing is that this path.expand user uses a method in the OS package, so we need to import that as well. So we say import OS, and now that underline red goes away. So now that we have the shape, what can we do? We can do a t.goto, and we can go to, let's say, -200, 200, which will take it to the top left of the screen. And before I do that, I'm going to do a pen up. And so when I'm over here, I'm going to do t.stamp, and I'm going to do a wn.exit on click. And so what should happen is the image is going to go to the top left corner, stamp itself, and that's what we're going to see here. Let's see. Did that not work out? Okay, so I guess they don't allow you to do GIF-C200s. So let me try just renaming it, and then see if it works as just a GIF. Okay. Is that going to work? Nope. Okay, so let's look for another picture that is simply a GIF. Okay, so this is .gif. So I view image. Oh no, it's the same image. Okay, so then this is .gif, has no like further extension, so I'll go ahead and say save image as pig onto the same folder. I'll save that, and since it's called the same name, I do not need to make any changes, but I am going to erase the hyphen C200, save it, and run. And that's what we get, right? So then this way you can use images in your Draw Something project, and you can add them as like part of the background if you'd like.